Okay, tikman naman natin to. Ito yung garlic sauce. Ilang pack nung chili sauce tsaka garlic sauce ang libre?
Why Chicken is owned by the husband and wife team of Rodora and Abed Hasuna. Since Abed is Lebanese, the way of cooking that he learned growing up is what he now applies to the chicken biryani that they sell. The chickens are marinated overnight with spices that come all the way from Lebanon and the Middle East, which are then deboned and skewered to be roasted. The chickens are left inside to cook to lock in the juices, and once cooked is served with biryani rice.
Yan yung 300.
Nag-extra na lang ako ng rice.
Okay.
The couple sell their chicken biryani for 300 and are able to sell anywhere from 300 to 500 chickens a day. They have branches in Pasig, Taguig, and San Juan.
Ano to? Chili sauce. Ito, garlic. So pareho lang to, chili and garlic. May kasama na yan, libre na. Yun yung extra rice. 50 pesos yan. Patingin kung gaano karami. Oh, okay. Okay. Ito yung garlic sauce. Kumain natin. Sarap. Ito yung chili sauce. Ilang pack nung chili sauce tsaka garlic sauce ang libre?
Tig-isa lang.
Sige, isa lang. Hindi masyadong maanghang. Oh, ayun. Medyo late yung tama ng anghang. Anghang pala. Pero okay lang. Okay. Tikman naman natin to. So, ito yung... Oops. So, ito na yung isang order, ano? Tingnan natin. So, one whole chicken, ano? Parang ano to? Spring chicken lang ba to? No? Pero smaller siya kumpara sa baliwag. Yung size. Tama?
2 to 3 daw. Sabi.
Anong 2 to 3?
Per serving.
2 to 3 persons. Pero malaki ba ang difference sa size nung baliwag and dogs? Parang ganun.
Think so.
Okay. Yung texture, parang hindi siya ganun kalambot na, no? I was expecting na medyo mas malambot pa. Pero pwede na rin. Okay. So, without the sauce, medyo tender din naman yung meat. At may lasa yung meat itself without dipping doon sa garlic sauce, ano? Hindi lang siya ganun ka lambot as I was hoping for. Pero okay din naman. See? Hindi ko kailangan ng knife. Ayan, oh. Kuha tayo medyo malaki na piece. Tingnan natin. Ayan, oh. Okay, malambot. With the garlic sauce and konting hot sauce. Ayun, mas masarap. Tapos, may kasama pa isang cilantro.
Hindi.
Ay, hindi. Hindi kasama to. Ah, okay. Sorry, dinagdag lang pala namin itong cilantro.
Masarap pag may cilantro.
Kami kasi mahilig kami sa cilantro. So, ihabol ko lang sa sinubo ko. Perfect. Haluan mo ng cilantro. Masarap. Kumusta yung biryani mo?
Medyo dry, pero masarap ang lasa.
Medyo dry yung biryani. Flavorful. Yes, medyo dry. Pero okay lang. Isa pa nga. Okay. Panalo.
Pwede, sulit.
Sulit to.
Presyo.
So, etong isang order na to, 300 pesos. One whole chicken. Yeah, mga good for 2 to 3 persons to. And then,
150 grams daw lang.
150, yung rice, 150 grams. So, for, I think sa amin kasi, hindi kami masyadong pala rice. I think good for 2 yung rice, no? Pero yung mga malakas sa rice, I think good for 1 lang to.
Nag-extra.
Pero okay na. Para sa akin, nakikita ko to, kung mag-light dinner ka, okay na to. Konting rice ka lang. And then, masarap i-pair sa wine, which is yun ang plano kong gawin tonight. Yeah, maganda. Okay na to for for a family of 4. Medyo bitin pag ito lang, no? 2 orders.
Extra rice.
Sa amin, family of 4, 2 orders nito, medyo sobra na sa amin. So, siguro sakto to sa iba na mas medyo malakas kumain. Okay? So, ayan guys. Try nyo, white chicken dun sa Taguig. 2, tawag dito, 2 yung locations nila, no? Taguig tsaka Pasig yung isa. Tama?
Meron pang iba. May Marikina,
Meron pa sa Marikina.
Pateros yata.
Okay, marami na pala. Alright, subukan nyo guys. Ayan, no? Medyo dry lang tingnan. Pero ako,
Malasa.
okay sa akin ng medyo dry kumpara naman sa oily. Ayoko kasi ng oily. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to CFT. Bye.